Hi Rachel, it's David Hustow at Ken Garff Honda Downtown. Hey, wanted to send you a quick video of this 2021 Honda Accord LX. It is in the modern steel gray with the black cloth interior. You're going to get LED headlights. You're going to get alloy wheels. It's going to have keyless entry with push button start. This car has a 1.5 turbocharged motor. Gets exceptional fuel mileage. Backup camera, which is standard on all Hondas. And on the inside, we've got our power windows, power locks, power mirrors, our hands-free calling, on our audio controls, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning. If we go up here, hit this button here, we can actually turn off our collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation. We can turn off all that safety feature stuff really easy. Car has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual climate controls. Just a great buy. Anyways, if you'd like to come in, take it for a test drive, don't hesitate to reach out, 801-865-6598. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll talk to you soon.